Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, as we continue to work through this school year, we will continue to practice material that we've already been taught so we can continue to show our genius to the world, especially those watching in Nepal. As I go over these, you definitely want to follow along in your journal so that you can make sure you got it correct. The first one says write in standard form. Brianna, what does standard form mean? In what? Excellent. In numbers. Write with numbers. Now this problem has an and in it. That means I'm going to have a decimal point. And that, yes, sir.
My grandma's name is A-N-D.
That's your grandma's name? Okay, cool. Okay. Throw me off guard here. We're going to look at the words in front of the and, in front of Brendan's grandmother. The words in front of it say 806. 806. Which means I know it goes to the hundreds place. 806. Now we look at the words behind Brendan's grandmother. Behind and it says 14 thousandths. So I need it to go to the thousandths place. And since it says 14 thousandths, that tells me the 4 has to be in the thousandths place. I need it to say 14, which means I have to have the 1 in the hundredths place. It doesn't say anything about the tenths place, but that doesn't matter. I got to fill that in to make it say 14. Yes. So that says 806. Brendan's grandmother, 14 thousandths. 806 and 14 thousandths. Good job. All right, now we're writing this word in standard form. First, we're going to look at in word form. Thank you, Brinley. We're going to look at just in front of the decimal point. So just in front of the decimal point, just like you've done in the past. So in front of the decimal point, we have what number, Riley?
In front of the decimal point?
Yeah, what do I have underlined here? What number do I have underlined there?
3,602.
Good, not and 2.
2.
3,602. $3,602. Now we've done this part, so I'm just going to make sure I don't do it again. When we get to the decimal point, Courtney, what do we say? No, what do we say when we get to the decimal point? What word? And? Good, and Courtney was working ahead of me now. What is that number behind the decimal point? Just the number. 407. Awesome sauce. And Silas, what's the place value of the last number? 1,000. So if you did not have these written correctly, write them correctly in your journal in case these come back on an assignment or something. That way you can always flip back to your journal and say, boom, shakalaka, I got it. But instead, I'm going to say boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. Save the bees, please subscribe, I want to be rich.